So this was kind of expensive. I paid $5 for it, for 5 meters of LED strip. It's only white, 600K temperature, color temperature, yeah, 600 Kelvin. 6,000, what am I saying? 6,000. And yeah, I want to see what quality it is. This is the cheapest one I could find. And yeah, this usually has some problem. So let's open the package, if I can, or make a fool of myself again. Okay, I think that did it. Let's see. Oh, it's in a proper bag. This is interesting. So let's see. Can you read something from this? Oh, temperature. Installation surface must be smooth, clean and dry, blah blah blah. It doesn't say which one this is. Oh, white. Here's a sticker. So it just says white. So we'll have to see. Let's open the package. And we see that it's exactly like my old one. And it's probably not 5 meters. Is this 5 meters? One. So yeah, I measure 1, 2, 3, 4, and a little bit more. Yeah, it's 5 meters. What? Yeah, okay. So I measured, it's 5 meters. But what confused me is that these LEDs are really thin. So look, they barely stand out of the strip. So yeah, I'm used to bigger ones. Where can I show you a bigger one? Ooh, where did I put them? Where did I put them? Well, trust me, I'm not lying. Okay, just trust me. So yeah. Okay, this is 5 meters and 3 LED modules, and it's nice and clean. It doesn't have that rubber silicone coating. You can just solder to these spots, and yeah, this is more appropriate for some of the things I'm doing. So let's see the light, what kind of white it is. So the red is positive, and yeah, oh boy, yep, that's nice. That's 6,000K. Okay, that's good, really good.